The sea is so deep. Do you know how the bridge piers of a cross-sea bridge are constructed? Usually, the cofferdam method is used. The water inside is pumped out before construction. So how is the cofferdam built? First, a positioning pile is driven into the seabed. Around the positioning pile, fixed sheet piles are driven in. This is done to minimize the infiltration of seawater. These sheet piles are driven into the seabed. This forms the initial shape of the cofferdam. But the sheet piles are not directly driven into the seabed. Instead, a vibratory hammer is used to vibrate and drive them into the seabed. The vibratory hammer saves time to some extent. Next, the seawater inside the cofferdam needs to be pumped out. However, engineers found that if it is a single layer of sheet piles, seawater will continuously seep in through the gaps. So engineers came up with another solution, which is to add another layer of sheet piles. The space between the two layers of sheet piles is filled with crushed stones. This solves the leakage problem. But after pumping out the water, the external seawater pressure will damage the cofferdam. So, sufficient support needs to be provided inside. Even though seawater cannot seep in from all sides, it can still seep into the interior of the cofferdam from the bottom. Next, concrete is poured at the bottom of the cofferdam. It can tightly bond with the seabed rocks. Then, rebar is used to secure the bridge piers. After the concrete has set, the cofferdam will be dismantled by workers.